So this is my Facebook page. The Facebook page is a two advantages. One is called likes, second will be followers. Suppose you not like my page, is my follower, they can notify my messages. If you're not in follower, is like my page, they can like my content. So your Facebook page likes or followers most effective for videos. Most effective for videos. If you open mobile, they can support by videos. If you open for the desktop, most probably they can show visible for the videos. Any business we promote for generating likes or followers purpose, the first preference is called videos. Suppose I can't prepare my video. I don't have a prepared the video. How it is prepared. But the Facebook given by the free making video for 50 seconds. Make the video using Facebook page, not profile, not for another one. Only for Facebook page. Just select the number of content of images only for 10 images. Each image you can fix for 5 seconds for what's the people purpose. You can make the video how many minutes? Only for less than a minute. The option call is 50 seconds. First of all, go to photo video. In this photo video, the option call is create slideshow. First of all, select your welcome image. Anything first of all is the welcome image is mandatory. So welcome image I am selecting here. Properties in Hyderabad. Next one. Select your images. Yes. So I'm selecting for total 10 images. Why? Each one we can select only for 5 seconds. So last one selecting for 10. Final one is selecting for your contact screen. Select here. Now, people if watching the video, you can see this. They can watch. They only give the 1 second. I can give by 5 seconds. So you can go with the slow version. Here I have the doubt. So you can add the music. Yes, you can add the music also. Where using for music. The video will making for different. 1:1, rectangle and vertical. So you can using for always original. The image duration will be 5 seconds. After this, setting how many images? Totally 10 images. Each image will be 5 seconds. If you not make the video for another channel, you can make the video using Facebook page. Upload your Facebook page for generating for page likes and page followers. Is totally free. Nothing will be paid. So I'm adding for music. Adding for this music. Click for post. After that, select here. Here, once select the add, if you're changing for any friend screen, which one they're showing for your friend screen will be here. Simple. Close. Last. Select it. Add your picture. Drag and drop. Like here. Post it. Check in. Click for publish. The video will showing for total Hyderabad. After making will be video. Once video will be done, the showing for in this left corner in the footer, the video will be published successfully. Click for view purpose. The video will making for 10 images. Each image will be 5 seconds with the music. You can promote using for content with the hashtag. Your first picture is your thumbnail. So exactly will be thumbnail will be automatically is the first picture. If you're using for same images, change for first image. You can make the number of videos. N number of videos. You make the using Facebook page, promote your Facebook likes and your followers. Most effective is upload videos with your own thumbnail, or we can make the videos using Facebook page, change your thumbnail and promote your Facebook page for getting likes and followers purpose. This is the final is called generating your likes, followers based on generating for leads on your website. Huh? Or showing for YouTube channel, they're showing for YouTube channel views and increase your subscribers. So this is called increase your page likes based on the video. You're going for two options, likes and followers.